Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to create a close friends list on Instagram so you can share your stories with only the people you choose. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Close Friends, then tap on it. If you haven't created a list yet, it will be empty. Now start selecting the people you want to add to your close friends list. Simply tap the Add button next to each person's name. If you can't find someone, use the search bar at the top and type their username. Once you've added everyone you want, tap Done in the top right corner. Your close friends list is now saved. The next time you create an Instagram story, you'll see the close friends option before posting. Tap it, and only the people on your close friends list will be able to view that story. You can come back to this section anytime to add or remove people from your list. And that's it!